Hi everyone, in this session I'm going to show you how to transfer the items from one location to other location in just one step. In HAL, we have on the inventory module, inventory stock movement. So here, if you click on inventory stock sub-module, you'll be seeing all the transactions which were created earlier. So just click on create new. Once you click on create new, a screen will open where you can enter the required items to transfer from one location to other location. Here, transaction type is nothing but if someone has requested for some material, then based on that, you can transfer it. Let's say if someone has requested purchase request from central warehouse, and based on that, you can transfer. If it's a work order base, then you can transfer. If it's general transfer, you can just select any, moment type as moment, and then transaction reference will be any, and from which location you want to transfer. Let's say I want to transfer from Mac warehouse to something like Breda location. Okay. Now here, I'm selecting my in-transit location as any. I don't want to get involved in transit location. So once I transfer from Mac, automatically in the Breda location, it will be received directly. No one in Breda location needs to confirm it. So this is what like one step transferring of items from one location to other location without the involvement of receiving person, because transit location is set as any. So now to see the transaction here, I'll just add the items. I have the item codes. I'll just add the items. This is one of the item. Okay, a quantity available 1, and then I want to move approximately, let's say 10 pieces of other item. So this item, I want to move maybe 15 pieces. So just click on add. That's it. Now, if you just click on view, you can see the stock movement. So here, without the need of confirmation from the receiving location, the stock is already transferred. If you just click on the report view, okay, and if you see the stock has been out from Mac warehouse and it has been gone to Breda location directly. So this is the advantage of doing stock transfer with the transit location as any, and the ledger impacts will be the same because it's moving inside the company itself. So there will be zero ledger impacts. Now, let's take another scenario where you are using transit location. So I'll go back to the view transaction. And again, I'll click on create new. And in this, I will select the transit location. So I'm transferring from Mac warehouse to Breda location, and I'm using a transit location. It can be anything, any location I can use it. So now I'm entering the item code. This is my item code. Okay, I have 1014 stock in my location available, and I'm transferring 14 pieces to Breda, but it will go via transit. Again, I'll transfer another item code. I'll just transfer 6 pieces here. So now I'll click on add. It's the same screen, but here, if you see now, click on view. Here it requires the receiving person confirmation. See now, you see a different screen now. If you see in the report view, you will see that the stock has not directly transferred to Breda. It has transferred to first Mac warehouse and then to in vehicle. Basically, this is in transit location. You can see 14 and 6 pieces will be there. So now the respective person in Breda location, whoever has access, will receive it and he will confirm the quantity moved in. If, for example, this is entire moved in, quantity is same, then we will just click on add, then the stock will be transferred from in transit to Breda. But let's say Breda location rejected 1 piece. Here they rejected 1 piece. Due to any reason, they rejected 1 piece, or they said that the quantity is 1 and return action is something as return or damage or whatever. or it can be mentioned as whatever the reason. So 1 is not returned, is not received, and here received only 4. 2 is returned back. Okay, so now in that scenario, they can receive the remaining quantity and just click on save. Now, again, if you click on the view transaction, this is the ledger impact. This is the stock movement impact that has happened. If you see, in vehicle from 13 to 4 pieces has moved to Buraidah, and remaining stock is in vehicle. Again, from in vehicle, it has moved back to the original warehouse from where it was transferred. So this is how you can make the stock movement with the involvement of transit location, where the receiver location needs to get confirmed for the receiving of the items. Thank you.